Creating high-quality videos for YouTube can be time-consuming in today's fast-paced world. However, thanks to advances in AI technology, creating videos is now easier and faster than ever. If you want to start using AI video creation software but need help deciding which ones to use, then this video is for you. Hey, we're doing a cash giveaway on our channel. We're giving away up to $50 to 10 people. The choice is yours. Watch the full video, like and share the video, and click the giveaway link in the description below to join this giveaway. Welcome to Tech Learners, and welcome to another YouTube video. This guide will introduce you to the top 5 AI video creator tools that can help you create stunning videos within minutes. We have something for everyone, from powerful video editing software to easy-to-use mobile apps. So, whether you're a professional video creator or just starting out, these tools will help you take your YouTube videos to the next level. 5 major components must be present when creating a faceless YouTube video. The first is the video title. This will help determine whether or not your viewers will find your videos in search. Second, we need the script, which is also very important because it determines how long the viewers will watch your video. Third, we need the script's voiceover, as it's critical in transferring information effectively between the narrator and the viewers. Fourth, we will need relevant images and videos for the viewers to understand what's said in the voiceover. Finally, we'll need a thumbnail, which is as crucial as any other item we've mentioned, as it determines whether or not the viewer will click on your video. Please take into account the power of using high-quality thumbnails. Before the introduction of AI technology, channel owners had to spend a significant amount of money outsourcing different aspects of the video. You could spend hundreds of dollars on a single video. Fortunately, we at Tech Learners will show you how to use AI to solve these 5 parts of creating a faceless YouTube video. Luckily, the method we'll show you today will help you save a lot of money, and in exchange, you could show your appreciation by subscribing to our channel. Like and share this video, and turn on the notification bell so that, whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's begin. The first AI video creation software we present is number 1, VidiQ. VidiQ is a powerful tool that assists content creators in optimizing their YouTube videos for increased visibility, engagement, and growth. Users can use VidiQ to learn how their videos are doing and how to improve them in terms of keywords, tags, and other optimization factors. The ability to see live video metrics while streaming is one of VidiQ's key features. This feature allows you to make real-time adjustments to your video and streaming style to improve performance. VidiQ also has an audit feature that will analyze your video and provide you with a score based on the optimization of your video. This score will help you understand which areas of your video you should improve. The analytics feature lets you see how your videos perform over time, including how many views, likes, comments, and shares they have received. You can also see how your videos perform compared to your competitors, which can be extremely useful in determining what type of content your audience responds to. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that the title is vital because it determines whether viewers will search for your video. The good thing about VidiQ is that it includes a keyword research tool that allows you to find the best keywords in the title, tags, and video description. This can help your videos rank higher in search results, increasing your chances of being discovered by potential viewers. Overall, VidiQ is a comprehensive YouTube optimization tool that can assist content creators in increasing the visibility and engagement of their videos, thereby increasing their growth on the platform. What about the pricing? VidiQ is a freemium software, meaning that it has a free tier of basic service and more advanced levels of service that you'll have to pay for. Try the basic VidiQ plan for free using my link in the description. The Pro plan starts at $7.50 per month. The second AI video creator on the list is number 2, chatgpt. chatgpt is a language model made by OpenAI. It uses machine learning to create text that sounds like it was written by a person based on what it is told to write. It works by analyzing a large dataset of text and learning the patterns and structures of a language, allowing it to generate new coherent sentences and paragraphs that sound like a human wrote them. To use chatgpt, you type in a question or prompt, and the AI will respond based on how well it understands the language and the situation. The more you use chatgpt and the more data it has to work with, the better it will generate relevant and on-topic responses. You can use this AI to make a faceless YouTube channel and upload videos. First, if you have yet to decide on a niche, you can use this AI to research the trending niche on YouTube. Once you've discovered that, you can narrow down and ask chatgpt to assist you in coming up with video title ideas for any specific niche. From there, you can ask chatgpt to create a complete YouTube script for your faceless videos. You're not limited when using chatgpt. You can even ask the AI for thumbnail ideas for a specific YouTube video title, and it will give you guidelines on how your thumbnail should look. We have created a video titled 5 Most Profitable Ways to Use chatgpt to Make Better YouTube Videos, which you should watch because it is more detailed and explains how chatgpt can help you quickly make these YouTube videos. What about pricing? chatgpt is free at the time of this video's creation, so click the link in the description to start using this program for free. We have created more detailed videos on how to use chatgpt to assist you in creating faceless YouTube videos. Please check them out. We'll include links to those videos in the description. The next AI video creator on the list is number 3, Descript. Now that we have a better optimized title from VidIQ and a well-written script from chatgpt, we will need a voiceover. Descript is the program we'll be using for the voiceover. So, what exactly is Descript? Descript is a collaborative audio and video editor with transcription, screen recording, publishing, multi-track editing, and even AI tools. The editing tool, a podcaster's holy grail, allows users to record, edit, and mix audio and transcribe it. Descript provides an online web-based solution, a desktop application, remote recording, filler word removal, and overdub for the editing feature. Regarding group projects, the screen recording feature instantly transcribes audio, and Descript includes a web link that allows collaborators to come and edit. Users can use the overdub feature to create a text-to-speech model of their voice, which can then be published as audiograms for various purposes, including social media marketing. Descript is an interactive tutorial project, which includes a series of quick lessons to help users get the most out of the collaborative editor, distinguishes it from many other podcast apps. This includes audio and video editing tutorials, screen recordings, and meeting note transcription. So how is the audio generated after you've obtained your script? Let me walk you through a quick tutorial. Before using Descript, users must first download the software and create an account. Click the link in the description to get started right away. Your main page will look like this after creating an account. On the main page, click the New Project button in the upper right corner. Following that, you must enter the title followed by the contents. Because chatgpt will generate the script, you must copy and paste it into Descript and then click on the Unknown Speaker section. A new page will appear, and you must click the Add Speaker button to proceed. All you have to do here is select an available voice under Overdub Voice and enter a name in the speaker name. After returning to the main area, select the voice once more. After that, the system will begin generating audio in the audio track. This may take some time, so you must wait for the system to complete the task. After the audio has been generated, all that remains is to play it and determine whether or not it is correct. Make any necessary changes, then play the audio a second time to double-check before downloading. To download the audio, go to the upper right corner and click the Share button, then click the Publish menu. Select Audiogram, then use the arrow buttons to select the format and settings displayed on your screen. A system will then direct you to a shared cloud page. Most of you will probably benefit from clicking the audio button under the File Export menu and selecting either a lossless WAV or AAC file. What about the pricing? Descript offers a free plan for screen recording, but editing capabilities are limited, and transcription is limited to a single use. The company's creator plan costs $12 per month and includes unlimited projects, screen recording, 10 hours of transcription per month, and watermark-free video export. Descript's Pro plan costs $24 per month and includes everything the creator plan does while increasing the transcription limit to 30 hours per month. For those who require more than an essential editor tool, this strategy also enables the overdub feature. The next AI on the list is number 4, Pictory. Now that we have the script and voiceover, we must find relevant images and videos to help viewers understand what the voiceover is attempting to explain. Before AI technology came along, people who made content had to spend a lot of time looking for royalty-free footage and videos. Still, with the introduction of Pictory, things have become much more manageable. What exactly is Pictory? Pictory is an online video editing application that allows you to quickly and easily make high-quality videos. They can feature text or not, AI voices, or your voiceover can be used. To create a video, you'll need to be familiar with 4 fundamental techniques. You can have a video conversation about an article using a URL, such as a blog URL or press release. You're doing script to video when you take some text and turn it into a video. Pictory has become popular among many users because it offers a script to video option. You can utilize existing images or video clips from your collection to make a video using visuals to video. Finally, Pictory allows you to modify videos with voice using text. If you have a pre-recorded video, you can use this to add subtitles or captions automatically. Pictory also functions as an editor, allowing you to, among other things, cut out sections, highlight sections, and create intros, logos, and outros. Faceless YouTube videos are mainly created using script-to-video technology. So how exactly does this work? To begin making the video, click Proceed on the script-to-video option. A blank page will appear. This is where you paste the script after chatgpt has created it for you. Once you paste it, click the Proceed button. After you've clicked Proceed, the next step is to select an appropriate template for your video. Browse through the templates, and when you find one that catches your eye, click Select. Then choose an aspect ratio of 16:9 and click Continue. Because we'll be publishing this on YouTube, we'll have to wait a few minutes after you click Continue while Pictory creates the video for us. When it's finished, it'll look like this. On the right, you can see the generated video has included all relevant videos and audio from our script. If you want to replace one of the video clips, go to Visuals and search for relevant videos to replace the existing one. After finishing the video, the next step is to add the voiceover. You can either do a voiceover yourself or have Pictory do it. But because the script has already created the voiceover, all we have to do is add it. To add the voiceover, click Upload Voiceover and choose whether to include it in the entire video. Once you've added your voiceover, click Adjust and make adjustments to your voiceover and video, which usually are not aligned. Make sure to adjust all of the scenes to match the voice. When you've finished adjusting each scene and everything looks good, click on Save and Exit. Once everything is in order, all that remains is downloading and uploading it to YouTube. Click Generate, then Video, and your video will begin downloading. What about the pricing? Pictory charges monthly, but it also offers a free trial that allows you to make 3 videos up to 10 minutes long while you try it out. 2 effective alternatives are available if you enjoyed Pictory and want to subscribe. The standard plan costs $19 per month yearly or $29 monthly. The premium option costs $39 per month on an annual plan and $59 per month on a monthly plan. The last AI video creator on the list is number 5, DALL-E. So far in our video creation, VidIQ will provide our title, chatgpt will write a YouTube script for us. The script will create a voiceover based on the script, and Pictory will make the actual video that we will upload to YouTube based on the script. Except for the thumbnail, everything is now completed. At the beginning of the video, we mentioned that the thumbnail is critical in determining whether or not viewers will click on your video. Fortunately, we know of a tool that can assist you in quickly creating high-quality thumbnails. DALL-E is the name of this tool. What exactly is DALL-E? DALL-E is an OpenAI machine learning model that generates images from language descriptions, also known as prompts. The system can create realistic images simply by describing the scene. DALL-E is a neural network algorithm that generates accurate images from the user's short phrases. It understands language through textual descriptions and learns information provided by users and developers in its datasets to create new images that accurately represent each text prompt. The system employs a transformer-based neural network, a type of machine learning that understands context and processes sequences. DALL-E is constantly training and updating its dataset so that the transformer can correctly predict the images from text prompts. How does it function? DALL-E can generate images imaginatively based on words provided by creators and artists, even the most unique and unusual descriptions. We previously mentioned that chatgpt could give you ideas for the type of thumbnail you can create based on the video's title. Once chatgpt has provided you with a description of a nice thumbnail, you can copy and paste it into DALL-E and it will create the thumbnail for you in a few minutes. So you no longer have to pay for the thumbnail because you can make it yourself with this software. What about the pricing? The price of the DALL-E 2 API varies depending on the resolution. The cost is 2 cents per image for 1024 by 1024 resolution images, 18 cents per image for 512 by 512 resolution images, and 16 cents per image for 256 by 256 resolution images. Companies that work with OpenAI's enterprise team can take advantage of volume discounts. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.